What's up, guys? This is Reset Investing. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, please feel free to like and subscribe. And today we have news from Bitfarms, which I should have covered yesterday, but I think I missed it. But we'll go through it today, and then I think that's it for the news. We will kind of cover DigiHost, and there's some things that kind of are in the horizon. Maybe not this month, maybe not now, but it is coming. So we'll just go through that, and then we'll also look at the crypto again. It fell down. Bitcoin fell down today again, so we'll check that out, and then we'll just go through our portfolio. So kind of like a unwind session for this week. We'll see how we did, but overall, I think we're doing totally fine right now. Some of the stocks are kind of down. Some of the stocks are below, performing not so good. But it's just market perception, the people, and also the instability of the market these days. So first, let's go to the news right here. So Canadian markets are closed for trading on Monday, May 24th, and it'll be open on Tuesday. But the US will open trading on Monday. So for the Canadian stocks, I guess only the OTC, the companies that have the OTC will be trading. So I think most of our stocks here should be trading, but of course we've bought the Canadian version, so I don't know how it's gonna work out, but we'll know the percentage ups and downs from the OTC share prices. And I believe Monday is Victoria Day, so kind of like a sign that winter is over and then summer has begun. So I can feel it today. Past 3 days, it's begun all right. So yeah. And Bitfarms, and let's see. So Bitfarms announced the closure of their 75 million Canadian private placement with a U.S. institutional investor. So this was supposed to be confirmed and done by May 20th, which they did. So I'm glad that it's on time. So we know it's 14 million shares along with warrants, aggregate up to 10,000 common shares. Okay, common shares and warrants accumulate to 14 million, and then at a share price of $5.30, which I mean doesn't seem like such a discount right now, but it's their chance to get in at a huge volume. So let's see, warrant exercise price 480. Yeah, I think we went through this. So this is all going towards their purchase of, I believe, from 3 to 8 exahash, that 5 exahash purchase with MicroBT, What's Miners. That's the money's going to go there, so that makes sense. And then the commissions and all that stuff. And yeah, they haven't released any news about the NASDAQ listing date, so I guess I was kind of right. I mean, I did say around the last week of May, around 27, I believe, or around there. So they announced the approval, and then I guess it takes a while, maybe three weeks, another 3 weeks to get the listing date. So that, I guess, I'm glad my research worked out on that part, but we'll see when they actually get listed. So that'll be interesting. And overall market was okay. I mean, nothing much to report. It was kind of average. And if you look at the crypto, Bitcoin just fell to 35K. Yeah, when the market opened, it just started tanking. So yeah, look at that. We were looking good, but then yeah, started going down hard, and most of the stocks here are on the red, and I don't want to be right. It hurts, but I mean, I did say that it was gonna kind of go up and down between 35 to 40 ish. Hoping it stays at around 35 and forms a support, but we don't know because there's so much FUD in the market right now that people are just falling for it, or it could just be the big interest just making it move. So right now, I think what I'm going to do is whenever I see the crypto that I like that's forming new lows for maybe this year or for the past few months, I'm getting in there. Like, I think that's the best way you can do, just dollar average cost down and just buy on the way down and just buy the new lows that keep forming. And like I said, I don't know what's going to happen in the next 2 weeks. We have to see how the market shapes up. But after this, like maybe a few months of sideways, but we will see kind of like a parabolic jump like we did on end of December and continue to like January, February. So that could happen. That could very well happen again. But it will take time. So just be patient. And of course, you know what you're getting into, right? So otherwise, why would you risk your money in there? So, right. So with the last and final piece with DGHost. Now, DGHost was the only one that was down the lowest today among the miners. Now, that's kind of, I mean, I was expecting it because it was going up way too high. It was beating out the other miners like crazy. So we were expecting some kind of pullback and it actually happened. So let's see. Now, what I want to discuss is this right here. We've talked about this, but I'll get to the point. So let me just say, so we have with DigiHost the potential to get up to 30,000 miners here. That will total up to approximately 3 exahash. Now, that's great and all, but what that means is because they've already done the $25 million PP private placement, so right here, and that was last month. Now, I think what I want to do is bring attention to this right here, this preliminary base shelf prospectus of 125 million US dollars. So I believe they have about, I want to say 100 plus. So around 100 to about 105 million US dollars left. At the time, that was about what the company's market cap was. So as you can imagine, I mean, it's a lot, right? So we have kind of an opportunity again to buy low. Now, I don't know when they're going to do another private placement or public offering, whatever, but we know it's going to happen because they did this prospectus, shelf prospectus. So obviously it's coming. It's like seasons. We know winter's coming, but we don't know when it's coming, right? We know the storm is coming, we just don't know when. So they have 2 years and 1 month to completely use this. So now it makes sense for them to do it kind of like every other month to get this order done and this agreement with Northern Data AG. It makes sense for them to do it and get that 3 exahash and then just like catapult them way ahead of the other miners that have less in the works in their contract. So yeah, and I would definitely like for them to just get this out of the way. I mean, I know we did do the 25 million and then it just tanked the stock like I want to say 15-20%. And at the time, that was a good buying opportunity. And then I bought in, and then it kept falling. So right now we have good momentum, and we could possibly see another one, maybe around 20, 30 million, maybe 40 million Canadian dollars at around $3 to $4, $5. So yeah, and it all depends on them also finding someone, finding a partner and finding someone to buy. So finding an institutional company and just having them purchase the yeah, okay, it doesn't show here, but yeah, so it is going to take time, but it's inevitable, like it's coming. Just want to prepare you that if you miss the opportunity to buy at 150 or 160, I don't think you missed much, because I think it's going to keep going down. I mean, it might go lower than $2 at some point because of that private placement that could eventually come out, right? Or they might just not even do it until when Bitcoin is above 50, 60, 70K. They might have a certain goal where they want to hit, and then they might do it. So we don't know, but we know by history with this company that when they do it, we see it tank. Boom, like 250, boom, it just drops. When they do it, it's grand. Like it is grand. It falls quick. So just wanted to bring that to your attention if you're new to DigiHost, or if you wanted to put on. Like I said, average dollar cost averaging is going to be the best strategy here and anywhere in general in the long term. So yeah. And in terms of crypto, like I said, we still have a lot of volatility. The China crypto ban, the Elon. The timing is really ridiculous to me, because it seems like they're all working together or towards a at least an interest, like a big interest. So I don't know if it's coincidence, but China keeps doing this ban thing they did it in 2017. Now they want to do it again. So it's, the timing, it's kind of weird. Every cycle, every bull cycle. So just do your own research and figure that out. Like, it's really evident right there. And right now it's really good prices here. Like it's tempting to get in, like WeChain. Solana is good. Polygon dropped. Okay, so it was at $2 something, but it dropped. Solana, Chainlink, Uniswap, Litecoin. Yeah, these guys are tempting. XRP fell down under $1. Okay, yeah, Cardano. BNB is at 300. It was just at around $700, like I want to say a month ago. Let me see, a month ago. Was it at 700? Oh no, it was around. Wait, we can just do this. Right, 1 month, so around $700. And the lowest was a few days ago. So yeah, definitely there's so much opportunity to get in. I believe in the long run we'll be fine in terms of crypto and the market. I think getting the free money aspect is kind of gone right now. We're kind of going to have to work for it and be patient and get in at timely lows, like timely new lows. So yeah, I think that's it for this one. I hope you learned something, or at least catch something from here, and do your own research and get into it more, so you know what you're getting yourself into. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. Peace.